Thank you very much for the opportunity to lead the reading of this resolution. This resolution means a lot to me personally, and I'll tell you why in 2 minutes. If I had told my 18-year-old self that one day I'd be standing in front of all of you here reading this resolution, she would not have believed me. And if I had told her that one day I'll be the managing partner of a tier 1 law firm in Ghana, she would definitely not have believed me. I wanted to be a lawyer, but I was afraid to say it because it didn't make sense to say that. It was okay for me to help my mother to sell porridge, cocoa, in my village markets. It was also okay to wake up at 4 a.m. and trek long distances to fetch water. It was even okay for me to attempt to work as a construction worker to earn some money for school, but it was not okay to dream of becoming a lawyer. Several years later, my dream of becoming a lawyer made history when it came to light that I am the first female to become a lawyer in my tribe, the Gruni community, popularly called Frafra. People say Frafra, but we are Gruni. My story would not have been complete if I had not found, I believe that my story would not have been complete if I had not found myself in an environment that treated me fairly, an environment that gave me the same opportunities that my male counterparts had. Some were not that lucky. I'm one of the very lucky ones. Some were kicked out because they got pregnant, because their company policies would not permit them to get pregnant until they've done 2 years. We see such unlawful policies in some organizations. Some seemingly left on their own volition, but as an employment lawyer, I'll tell you, it was constructive dismissal because they simply could not continue to accept the comments from their harassers. As I was told by one of my male teachers, it looked tantalizing. This is why the adoption of this resolution and the gender equality law policy is so critically important. And therefore, with all of your permission, I'll quickly read the resolution. We all herein gathered hereby decide in accordance with the above principles, and I encourage you to look at the brochure and read the full resolution, to commit to 1, advocate and promote gender equality and inclusion in the legal profession at the individual and organizational levels. 2, adopt and implement the gender equality in law model policy and recommendations from the GEL report at the individual and organizational levels. 3, address and raise awareness of intersectional gender biases and stereotypes in the legal profession that create unwelcome work environment that negatively affect women. 4, advocate against all types of harassment, including sexual harassment and abuse in all forms, and create a safe space for reporting such violations. 5, enforce policies for equal pay for equal work. 6, enforce fair and transparent recruitment and promotion practices. And last but not the least, include and strengthen women's voices and actions in decision-making at the workplace and advance women's leadership by promoting talent. It is my hope and prayer that as we all keep our commitments that we make today by adopting the gender equality in law model policy, we all will empower many 18-year-old girls out there who strive to become lawyers as I did, to succeed in their legal careers. Thank you very much.